All right. Once again, you are welcome to this second video recording of using Edutec school management system to run your school seamlessly. If you have gotten our 15 days trial version, congratulations. I'll be walking you through some other modules today, but I'm going to start afresh. All right. Now, if you log in into your page with your school code, the email address that you use to register, and of course, your password, then you can click on login. So if you click on login, you find yourself on your dashboard as the school admin. The person that registered with us is the school admin. Yesterday, we focused on setting and admission. I'm going to quickly walk you through the two, but the focus of the second recording is report sheets and of course fee collection. Now, let me quickly walk you through setting again, which we have done yesterday. But because there's an upgrade, as at yesterday till this time, the upgrade will really assist all, and that is why I want to walk you through again the setting. This is where you do your school customization and the upload of your school logo. Session. This is where you set the session and the term. Subject. This is where you add your subjects that the school offer. Classes. The class you have in your school will also be registered here as the class. That has been done in our last recording. User. These are the people that relate with the app. The teachers, the accountant, the bursar, the head teacher. I had another admin for the school. For instance, let me create one more. Let me create one user here. Let me say Mr. I've done this yesterday, of course. Mr. Idris. Allow. So the email, once again, you can put infolab@gmail.com. Then you assign password to the fellow. They can change their password whenever they want to log in. Then the role, if it's a class teacher, then it's going to ask which class is this person going to handle out of all these classes that you have assigned. Maybe this person is handling GSS1A. All right, so click on GSS1A and create account for this fellow. You can see user account created. Now, we have done that one yesterday as well. SMS configuration I've explained. We have our API with Bulk SMS Nigeria. So if you are interested in using our SMS platform to be sending messages to your parents on payments, on PTA, on alerts of school fees, and so on and so forth, our SMS is just 10 naira per unit. So minimum of 100 units, which is just 1,000 naira. So, but if you want to look for another SMS provider, you can do that as well. And you can employ our technical experts to assist you in doing the configuration. So if you have done that, that is okay. Then you can test the SMS delivery. Then email configuration. Yesterday, I mentioned that you need to have your email and your app password, but we realize that some schools find it difficult to set app password. Not everybody know how to set app password, so we have reconfigured this such that the only thing you needed here is to send the you send your message to the email. Where this email is important is when you publish the results. Every registered email got results of registered bona fide student result for that time if the child is not owing. I've mentioned that there are 3 ways by which you can check your results. I've mentioned that one yesterday. So all you need to do just to put the school email here and save it. So when you put the school email here and save it, you can send text. So let me click on send text, whether this one is working or not. So you can see text email sent to kuyahuzain@gmail.com. So you can do that as well on your own. Just put your email, the school email there, and you see that it's working perfectly now. So don't bother yourself about our password configuration. So today, I'm going to quickly walk you through. Let me quickly revise admission as well. So admission is where you register students. And as at yesterday as well, when some school requested for bulk upload, that to be registering the students one by one by the admin may be a bit little tough. So we have implemented bulk upload. So for the bulk upload, we're going to be giving an Excel sheet, and that Excel sheet, of course, where you're going to have all the required information about the student. Then when you do that, then you click on upload. So if you upload and fill up all the students in the school with their class at glance. All right. So we don't need to add students. You may want to do upload, but if you want to be adding the students, you can just click on new students. This one, I've done this yesterday, and you have saved a student in a class. So let me close this. All right. So, let me register one student as a matter of division again. Let me register Idris. Allow admission number AW001 male. Then you can put this date of birth. Let me quickly do that. Class GSS 1A. Then date admitted, and as well fill that. Fill date admitted. Then you can do the blood group as well is there. Then of course the state of origin. Importantly is the parent phone, so that they can be receiving SMS when they make their payments. All right, then the email is also very important, and it must be a functional email so that they can get the results of their child via the email once the school publish the results at the end of the exam. So these 2 areas is very important. I've mentioned that during my last recording. So that is that about this page. Then you can as well upload the student photo, then click on register students. All right, you can see student registered. Now, the focus today actually is to start report sheets. Don't worry if it is delaying a bit. It's trying to reach the server. So if your network is slow, you may experience a slow connection to the database. All right. Now, I'm going to add report sheet now. Listen carefully to this area. So for GSS 1A, I have some students there. Let me click for this class. Don't worry, when it takes a bit time, it may be a network, your application trying to reach the server. So all right, so click on report sheets, then pick J Junior Secondary School 1 as its case may be for second term, then click on score. Click on score. So it's going to populate this. So you are going to enter score for this child. This is Imam Muhammad. So let me quickly put score there: 20, 20, 60, 20, 15, 55, 20, 20, 60. So let me just stop here because of my time. So click on save all. So you can see that it has saved the score. So the next thing you do, because we have to ensure that you fill all the three domain: the cognitive domain, the affective, and the psychomotor. So click on affective domain. So this child, you can quickly mark it on attentiveness, cooperation, fill up this for the child, then save as well. Then the last one is the psychomotor. You can as well fill that. All this can be done on teacher's phone. So click on psychomotor again. You can also raise your psychomotor here. Then click all as well. All right. For the remark, you have two options. You have auto-generated remark based on the performance of the student. So you can click on auto-generated, and you can see that the remark for this child based on his performance is auto-generated for the class teacher and for the head teacher. But if you don't like auto-generated, you can as well type your own and save. Then the attendance. So number of days the school open based on your manual registered in the school. The child present 100, then the remaining 30 days is absent. So save this one as well. Now with this, the result of this child is ready. Let's view the results. So click on view. As the admin, you can view the results. So you can see this is the result of this child for that class. You can as well print from this place as well. So you can close it. So that is that on report sheet entering of score. It is very, very flexible and very, very simple. Let me also add on fee collection, and I'm going to stop there for this module. I said report, module, and fee collection. I'll come back to the CBT exam in the next module. Let's quickly check fee collection. However, this fee collection is going to be handled by the bursar or the accountant of the school. So that is his role. Teachers will not have access to all this area. So for the fee collection, the first thing the bursar will do is to set up the fee for that class. So click on fee setup, then look for that class. You have set fee for any class here. Let me go down. Let me set for this class. Let me say senior secondary school 1A. So let me set up a fee for that class. So school fee for that class is 100,000. Click on this sign plus, fee added. But you must also initialize it. So click on, if you don't do this, it will not populate for that child in that class for JSS 1 class or the class you have done just right now. So click on that, then click on OK. So the fee will be initialized for the 5 students in that class. This is how you do for all the classes. You ensure that you set up their fee. And at a glance, when you set up the fee and register all the students, at a glance, the school admin or the bursar can see the total expected income, total you have collected, the outstanding, and the number of students in that school. So at a glance, you can check which class is owing. Click on by class. I want to see the fee payment by class. You can see that this class, we are expecting this GSS 1A, only 3 students are there. We are expecting 170 for the 3 of them. Some of them are paid, 2 of them are paid, and they are paid only 60,000. We are still expecting 110,000. At a glance, you can check and see what goes on in each class financially. Lastly, again, on this module, how do we post payments? So click on, the name of this guy is Iman Muhammad. So let's post for Idris Alao. For this class, he has not paid. So click on record payments and look for that child. Click on Idris. Once you click on Idris, it will populate the child. Click on it, and the amount paying for that class is 30,000. So if he pays everything, just write 30,000 naira there. And you can see if there is a discount, apply discount is here. Method of payment, bank transfer. So once you do this and you have the phone number of that child, as at the time you are setting up this, once you click on save and print, the parent will get instant alert of the amount of money paid and the balance that remain instantly. So you can also print and send the receipt. So click on save and print receipt. Perfect. So you can see that this is the fee, and this is the parent will get instant alert that he has paid 30,000. Child name will be mentioned, the class will be mentioned, and you can see fully paid. If they needed to collect the receipt, you can just come here and print the receipt and send to them as well. With this, we've come to the end of 2 other modules that I intend to add, and that is the report sheet and fee collection. Thank you very much. We meet in the next module on CBT, and of course, we'll be talking about how to send the results, how to print the results, how to allow the parents to, by themselves through the portal, check the results of their wells. Thank you very much. God bless you. Once again, implement. As I release the video, I'm going to release 4 videos. And with those 4 videos, you are good to go to enjoy your 15 days trial. In case you need our assistance, our technical support, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our target is to ensure that by September resumption, all our schools that have registered with the with the trial version should have been fully registered, and we can, of course, assist you in the onboarding or any technical issue you have. Thank you very much. God bless you. I remain myself, Dr. Shogunle Idris, Director, Infolab Technology Service Limited, Lagos State. Thank you very much. Bye for now.